Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now in front here we have the whole set of Hot Wheels Premium Deutschland design. And yes, we have BMW, Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche, and I have bought another Mercedes. Why I have two? Because it's a Mercedes. When it's a Mercedes, you need to have more than one. So I'm going to open this. Now let's have a look. It comes in a set of 5. The BMW appeared in the regular Hot Wheels, but I haven't seen the rest. The Porsche appeared in the premium rally car. So today, I'm not going to look at this. We are going to look at the Mercedes. Not this. I'm not going to open. I'm going to open this. Now, at first glance, I thought that it's the same casting as this. This came out earlier in the modern classics, but it is not. This is a 1972 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5. This one is a Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG. I have already opened this one. Now I'm going to open this. And I'm going to show you why it is not the same. Maybe Hot Wheels just adjust their mold or casting by a little bit. Okay, I have removed the blister nicely, so we have a nice looking card, very colorful, and this is a rally car. Strangely, there is no bumpers and a lot of lights. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why do you need so many lights? And no bumpers. I don't understand racing back then. 6.8 is a very big engine. The only thing missing is this Mercedes logo. It's too fragile, they can't do it. It's a shame. Interior, you can see the roll cage, yes. And what it says here, M. Jones, Van der Vaart, Liu Coils. Could it be the name of the Hot Wheels designer? So let's have a look. Oh, I forgot to show you the base. Mattel made in Thailand 2020, the name of the car. Very striking. Now this This I have only one. I didn't bought two. Managed to find only one. Okay, now we can compare side by side. It's a pity this one appears to be lowered. Okay, the part here appears to be the same. Except the front. And the back is also different. You see the lights. The lights may be the same, but the bottom here is different. And this one has wheel arch. This one doesn't. So I think Mattel make some adjustment to the casting. Also, the bottom is different. Mainly because this one is a 4.5, the black car, and the red car is a 6.8. In terms of size, they appears to be the same. Now, this one, Hot Wheels made the second release in the Car Culture Twin Pack, together with the Mercedes 190E. But the price is very steep, expensive. So I'm not going for it. Mercedes-Benz, very beautiful. So I hope you like this Mercedes-Benz AMG 300 SEL. I will review the other cars in another video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.